My name's Stuart Berry, I'm Manufacturing Director and I've worked here at Brandauer 20 years. I'm the Manufacturing Director responsible for all operations and engineering within the business. The thing I enjoy most about working at Brandauer is the diverse work and the complex engineering tasks that we undergo. My role positively impacts Brandauer customers daily when I talk to customers, liaise with them on product development, how we want to streamline their product going forward and meet their on-time delivery targets. The advice I'd give anybody joining Brandauer is it's a small SME and the culture in the business is key. Embrace the culture and you'll fit in just fine.